Hi, welcome back to Yummy with Mommy. Today we're going to be cooking green pepper barbecue chicken. So to start with, we'll be making the marinade, and what we have here is a handful of mint leaves, and we're going to be blending all of this. So put in a handful of mint leaves, a handful of coriander, and last but not least, we'll be putting in a tablespoon of green peppercorns. So all of this we'll be throwing into a blender, and we'll also be adding a teaspoon of salt. So let's do that next. Okay, so we have the mixture all blended up, as you can see here, and we're just going to be pouring it into the bowl. And that's basically what it should look like. Don't blend it for too long because you don't want it to be too liquidy. You want to still have sort of a consistent paste. So once you've poured it in here, then the next step we'll show you is how to marinate this inside the chickens. Okay, so the way you marinate it is you want to get it all over the skin of the chicken, just the way we're doing, inside the chicken, just that way. And make sure you use a lot of this marination. It's going to taste better if you do. And take your time with it to work it through all the different parts of the chicken, just as we're doing here. And once you're done with that, the next step is going to be placing it on the grill. So we'll show you that next. Okay, so here as you can see, we have the chicken cooking on the grill. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes or so, and what you've got to be careful with is just make sure you flip the chicken every so often so you don't end up with burnt on one side. And this should be ready in another 7 minutes or so, so we'll show it to you then when it's finally ready. So while the chicken is barbecuing, we also have a special sauce to go with it. That is the green pepper barbecue chicken, and we'll be showing you how to make this sauce. So the first thing is you have a little pan like the one we have here, and put in a tablespoon of margarine, followed by a tablespoon of butter, followed by, and we're just turning up the heat here to high, followed by 2 tablespoons of oil, and we are using canola oil. Last but not least, half a teaspoon of paprika powder. Next, we're going to be adding 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of the pepper paste sauce that we showed you how to make previously. So essentially this was our marinade for the chicken. So you'll be adding 1 teaspoon of that. And once you have added all the ingredients, you can go ahead and change the heat from high to low, and that's what we're going to be cooking the sauce at. And this will be a great way to serve, to enjoy the chicken with. So here's what the chicken looks like after it has been barbecued. As you can see, it looks pretty delicious. But what we're also going to do to add even more flavor to it is we're going to be pouring on that sauce that we showed you how to prepare earlier. So after we're done grilling the chicken and pasting the sauce, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it looks really delicious. We have some of that sauce on the side here in case anyone wishes to dip their chicken into. And that's pretty much all you need to know for this recipe. Try it out, let me know what you guys think. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.